Hey guys, welcome or welcome back. So today I have a POLÈNE handbag unboxing. This is the very first time that I've ever purchased from POLÈNE. POLÈNE is one of those brands that a few of you actually reached out to me to ask my opinion on. So I've been quite interested to try their bags, and here I am. I finally purchased my first one. But unfortunately in Australia we don't have any POLÈNE stores, so it came directly from the Paris POLÈNE boutique. If you guys watched my previous video, which was my hubby vlogging in Paris, he went to pick up my special order bag from Hermes in Paris. While he was there, I did ask him to check out the POLÈNE store because there are a few bags that I was really interested to check out. So if you watched hubby's vlog that I uploaded a few days ago, you might have seen that he was trying on this bag on his very big frame. By the way, if you haven't watched my hubby's shopping vlog, do head over there after you watch this video because he got some epic footages of his time at Hermes. He filmed lots of eye candies with Hermes bags and of course the bags from POLÈNE, and he shows you around a few beautiful Paris spots. So yeah, if you're interested, please watch that vlog after this one. That will mean a lot to me and my hubby. You know, it's funny, after we uploaded that video, I think hubby felt like he was so responsible for how well that video was performing. So for a good 24 hours, he kept asking me, how's the video doing? How are the views doing? It was just so cute. But anyway, please show hubby some support for his efforts in Paris to document his journey. Anyway, back to the bag. It's not a true unboxing because I've already opened it and used it a couple of times, but I just wanted to show you how beautifully it came packaged. So yeah, let's open it up and see what bag I picked up. I really love how nice this box is and how beautifully the packaging is done. Love the gold foiling Numéro Neuf. So obviously you know the model of the bag if you're familiar with POLÈNE bags. It just says POLÈNE there. And the box itself is a little pearlescent, so a beautiful box. I was trying to open it and there's a little POLÈNE card that just fell out of it, which was in there. The bag is inside here. And I was also really impressed with how luxurious the dust bag was. It's thick and substantial. I'd say this dust bag is much more luxurious than the dust bags that you get from a lot of designer brands. And to show you guys what I picked up from POLÈNE, my very first bag from POLÈNE is this Numéro Neuf bag in this taupey color in the mini size. So this Neuf bag comes in two different sizes, this mini size and a regular size. The regular size is more like your medium everyday bag, whereas this mini size is just that cute bag that you can take on your weekend. Anyway, I just absolutely fell in love with this when I saw a few Instagram posts featuring this bag, and it comes in so many beautiful colors, but I wanted to really try out this taupey color because I don't have any bag in my collection in this color. I've got lots of tan colored bags. I've got beiges, I've got whites, blacks and some pop of colors, but for some reason I don't have a neutral bag in this sort of a color, so I really wanted to try this color. So I reattached the tag to show you exactly how it comes. That is the tag, which I will get rid of in a minute, and it came beautifully stuffed as well. So there's some bubble paper and some tissue paper down the bottom to keep the bag's shape. So let me just show you the bag up close. It has this cute top handle. It looks like a little fortune cookie, doesn't it? The front of the bag and the back of the bag are basically the same. And then the bottom of the bag is just leather, so it doesn't have any feet. It does come with an adjustable and detachable shoulder strap, so you can take it off all together. It does have a little magnet closure. So the bag, when it's closed, it's quite secure. And then the interior is just fabric lined, but the fabric does feel quite nice. And on the inside there are no separate compartments or anything, it's just one big compartment. And in a mini bag I do appreciate that, because when mini bags have too many compartments it really limits what you can fit in the already limited space. So I do prefer one open space in a smaller bag. And I do like how minimal the hardware portions are. So even though the hardware is in gold, because there's really only minimal amounts of hardware, you can match this bag with whatever jewelry tone you're wearing for the day. So whether it be gold, rose gold, white gold, whatever you're wearing for the day, this bag will not clash with any of those metal colors. The leather is really quite nice. It does feel quite substantial. The stitching is done really nicely. So the quality is definitely there, and the price converted to about 500 Australian dollars. So I personally think that this bag is really worth it for that price point. And the prices were a little bit better in Paris, so it was nice surprised that hubby was able to get it while he was there. I feel POLÈNE is one of those brands that's become really quite popular in the last few years. So a lot of people might recognize this as a mid-range luxury bag, but also a lot of people will not recognize it as a bag that costs a few $100s, but will just think that it is a really nicely made bag. So I do like how sort of subtle this bag is. It doesn't have any big branding. It does just say POLÈNE just on the side there in the gold foil, so very, very subtle. And I find POLÈNE's designs are really original. They have their own style and aesthetics. Coming back to the color, I just wanted to quickly show you a color comparison. The Hermes Etoupe color, this is the only item from Hermes that I have in the Etoupe color. One side of the belt is in the color Etoupe, actually in Epsom leather. And the Etoupe color might be something that a lot of you guys are familiar with, so I wanted to do a quick comparison of colors. So I'd say definitely the Etoupe is a little darker, but these two colors are sort of in the same type of neutral family. So if you guys are wondering what the color is like with reference to something that you might be a little more familiar with, that is how the colors compare. Anyway, now I just wanted to quickly show you exactly how much it fits, and like I always do, I'll also show you what the bag looks like on me as well after that. So I've got all of my daily essentials in here at the moment because this small Chloe Woody tote is what has been my daily bag for a while now. So I'm gonna grab everything from in here and see if they fit. And I know because I've used this bag a couple of times that most of these will fit. So the first thing is my compact wallet, which is the Hermes Kelly Pocket. I have to say, this bag fits quite a bit, but it does have a pretty small opening and the handle's just right there at the entrance into the bag. So it can be a little fiddly to get things in and out. But on the flip side, that also makes the contents in the bag quite secure. Things don't really fall out. I've got my Bastia coin purse, which is a very easy fit, obviously. Got my house keys, car key, mid-sized hand cream, lipstick, a key clay from Louis Vuitton, and that is basically what I carry on a daily basis, plus my iPhone 12 Pro, not the max size, but the max size will definitely fit in this bag. And as you can see, all of those items fit really, really easily. I think you can still put some sunglasses on top or some other items on top as well. It closes shut like this. Oh, and let me just get rid of this tag now. There we are, no bulging, nothing. The bag looks exactly the same as when it was empty. So it does have a pretty good capacity for being a mini bag. So it's definitely a very practical bag. Now, this is what the bag looks like on me. As you guys know, I am heavily pregnant. I am due very, very soon. So I am probably the biggest I've ever been. So bear that in mind. Yeah, so that's what the bag looks like as a top handle bag. And you can definitely wear it sort of on the crook of your arm. The handle drop is not the biggest, but it is pretty easy to get my arm in and out of it. So yeah, definitely you can comfortably fit the bag at the crook of your arm if you're a similar size to me. For reference, I'm 164 centimeters tall, which is about 5'4", and this is what the bag looks like as a shoulder bag on the one side. Very, very comfortable as a shoulder bag as well. I've got the length setting right in the middle, so there are 5 holes and I've got it on the 3rd hole at the moment. So you can definitely make it longer or shorter depending on your height. And it also makes for a very comfortable crossbody bag. At the moment, obviously, I don't like wearing anything crossbody because of my big belly, but after I give birth very soon, I think I will probably really enjoy wearing this as a crossbody bag as well. So that was my quick little unboxing of my very first POLÈNE purchase. Lately, I've been a lot more interested in exploring the more affordable mid-range luxury bag brands. If there are other brands or bag models that you guys are interested in that you guys think I might like, or the styles that you think will suit me, do leave them in the comments below because it's just been a lot more fun to shop these types of bags lately, I have to say. I remember a few of you guys also asked me about demier bags because I think they've become really popular. Those bags look a little like the Hermes Constance, but the prices are just so reasonable and I've heard the quality is great. So that is probably something else that I'll be interested to look into. But yeah, if there are other bag brands or styles that you think that I should check out, please let me know in the comments below. Again, if you haven't already, do head over to my hubby's Paris shopping vlog to see more Polène bags that he saw in the Paris boutique, and also for lots of Hermes eye candies. I'll leave the video on screen. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. As always, thank you so much for watching and spending some of your precious time with me today, and I can't wait to see you again soon in my next video. Bye guys!